Hi, this is Anne Overcash from Pyramid Educational Consultants, here to share with you some information about Wait4it, another great app from Pyramid. This app features a brightly colored orange wait icon. You may have used something like this in a regular wait card form with some of your students. Many parents and busy teachers have let us know that they always carry around their phones or tablet devices, so an app might actually be more handy in certain situations. So when you open the app, a couple of things you want to do. You want to go ahead and select the picture of the item that your learner is waiting for. So if you tap on the square near the plus sign and scroll through the available pictures. So the photo library already comes with a variety of pictures. You can select what picture you're looking for. So if your student has asked for the tablet device, but it's not currently available. As soon as you tap that picture, it will appear on the wait card. Then you want to select the time. So you tap twice on the time area, the digital clock on your app, and there's some presets for 30 seconds and in 1 minute intervals from 1 to 5 minutes as well. Or you could customize and choose which time interval. In this first one, I will just choose maybe 4 seconds and then tap done. And now you'll see 4 seconds available in the digital time readout. Double tapping the arrow will start the countdown. And as you can see in here, as soon as that time interval is complete, the picture itself gets larger. There's an auditory bell. And at this point, we all need to be an honest broker and provide that item. You'll want to practice this and set up opportunities where the whole point is your student is learning how to wait. So you're increasing that time. If your student is already familiar with using a wait card, just a regular wait card, the transition to the app is generally no problem. But you probably want to set up a few opportunities where they can see how this works and interact with it a bit under tightly controlled conditions before you go out into the community and use it there. In addition to being able to scroll and choose from the embedded library of pictures, you can import pictures as well. So any picture in your photo library can be utilized. So again, a busy parent out in the community sees something that their child really wants at that moment, not able to provide immediate access. Take a quick photo. That picture will now be in your photo library and available for you to access within the app. Available from Pyramid Educational Consultants and available in your app stores.